Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is OBAAPA'S kitchen. I hope everybody is doing awesome, and today's video I am here to share with you a very healthy, delicious chicken light soup. So yeah, we're gonna start our day with chicken light soup. So the reason why I'm gonna make this chicken light soup is because I felt like the weather is in between summer and spring, so this soup actually is gonna go very well, okay, in any dish that you're trying to enjoy with. So this is what it is. So guys, stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna go through the ingredients. So as you can see, I have a full chicken right here. Actually, this chicken is Amish chicken, okay. This is organic Amish chicken. So if you guys know Amish, yeah, they are like kind of a different kind of like a group that they always grow their own fresh farm and stuff like that. This is where I got this fresh chicken from. And if you have your own chicken, like the hard chicken or your soft chicken, it doesn't matter, you can just go ahead and use it as well. So when you come on this side, I have some vegetables. So I'm using a lot of peppers and some habaneros and some onion and one tomato. So as you can see, this is what it is on this side. And here is I have some organic frozen mixed vegetables right here on this side. So I have about a cup of organic frozen mixed vegetables. You can use any vegetables of your choice, okay, but this recipe, this is what we are going to be using. And when you come here, I have some tomato sauce right here. This is organic tomato sauce. And my spices, I am going to use some herb spice right here. This is about mixed spice. I have oregano on this side as well. I have cayenne pepper, rosemary, salt, clove of garlic, fresh ginger roots, and basil. So this is what we are going to use to prepare this soup. So guys, this chicken soup, trust me, is going to be very, very delicious. You and your family are going to enjoy it. So guys, stay tuned and let's get started. Alright guys, so now our chicken is done cutting. So I am going to cut the vegetables and take all the seed because I am going to boil these vegetables. This is what I'm going to use for this soup. Side I have some water. I am going to use that water to boil my vegetables right here. So I'm gonna add a habanero first and add this. I'm gonna add some tomato and onion. I'm gonna add my peppers. Yeah, I know it's a lot of peppers, but trust me, when it's boiled, it's going to be very tiny. As you can see on this side, I have my onion, garlic, and ginger. So I'm going to add some of the rosemary in there. Okay, so we are going to blend this part, and then we're going to use it to season the chicken. And I'm going to add some basil also. Now add some water. We're going to cover it and blend it. And then we're going to use it to steam. I have my chicken right here, so I'm just going to turn on my stove. Okay. And as you can see, it is all cut up and clean and washed. So I'm gonna add some seasoning. Actually, I'm gonna add all my seasoning. Add my mixed spice. To add all the seasoning, I'll add some salt. Okay, and then we're gonna add the blended ginger, garlic, and onion. Okay, so this part is very important because this is actually what we are using to season this chicken. So yeah. And I have my tomato sauce right here, so I'm gonna add half of this tomato sauce. Just a little bit of water to rinse. I'm gonna give it a little stir. Just gonna stir so all the seasoning will go everywhere. So it is always important that when you season your chicken, make sure you don't add too much water. If you add too much water, you are going to lose the flavor of the seasoning, okay? And it's going to be very watery, and that's not what we want. You want our chicken to taste really delicious. So this is very good, so we're just going to cover it and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright guys, so we're going to check the chicken mixture. Oh, chicken is seasoning very well. Since I'm going to be taking this blender and I'm going to add all the vegetables. So I'm going to blend it one after the other because it's a lot of vegetables that need to be, you know, blended. So I'm going to divide it into two. Try to turn this off. So I'm going to use the same water right here to blend the soup. My vegetable is done blending, so I am going to dump it in the soup. That's a lot. This soup there, hey, akono, sure. Chicken soup where there, oh, any size. I bet your chicken soup na sure. Alright, so guys, I am going to be adding my last, you know, basil, and I have some organic chicken broth. This is an optional. If you don't have it, you can, you know, add water, but I am going to be adding that for extra flavor to this chicken soup, because mostly people will add water, so this chicken broth will add extra flavor. Soup where the pie for my home. Hey, this is I'm going soup be better than kasa. Hey, OBAAPA'S soup. Okay, so this is how the chicken soup look. It's not done yet. You still have to cook more. I will say a hook a cracker home. So we're just gonna cover it and let this soup cook. So before, I'm going to be adding some habanero just to get more, you know, spicy flavor. So I'm just gonna cover this halfway. Okay, so take the time, you know, to cook gradually, because if you cover it completely, stove is going to be messy. We don't want that. So let's let it hang there. Me say spices na bonan kasa what chicken normal chicken na kasa odwan ho enwa ti kwan we no ho Very come up. We're waiting here for fufu, benku, mutuo, rice, kenke. Tiasie. We are busy grabbing the eddy. One or two shank. Come up. Alright guys, so what I'm trying to say is that we're gonna give it about 15 minutes and this soup should be ready. So after it's done, you're gonna see a little oil gonna come up on top. You see all this foamy oil right here is gonna turn to pure oil, and that's why you got to know that this soup is done. Alright, so as you can see, the chicken soup is done. Okay, you see that oil on top of it, the oil on this side, you see that, guys? This tells that this soup is done. Okay, yeah, as you can see, it's looking very yummy. So I'm going to, you know, let it cool a little bit before I serve it. Yeah, so I am going to enjoy this soup with my healthy fufu. Okay, but I'm not going to show you right now. Another recipe about that is going to be coming soon. Okay, so this is how the chicken soup is doing so far. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright guys, so Mariana is here. Hi. So she is going to test the soup, and then she is going to give us her honest opinion about the soup, like how it tastes. So I hope this soup tastes good.
I know, yeah. It's one of the soup that I like very much.
Oh, thank you, Mariana.
Meat.
So I hope it's good.
Take your meat.
Take more. See, there's a lot of chicken in there.
Yum, yum.
Put some and put it there later on. Yeah, so.
Delicious.
Are you sure?
You should try it. Yum, yum. It's delicious.
It's spicy,
guys.
though.
Oh, it's very good. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, so the chicken soup is finally done. As you can tell, Mariana said that it's good. So I'm going to keep it that way because Mariana, she's a very good cook. She can cook a lot of European dish. You know, she is such an amazing cook. So thank you for watching, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe. With this soup, you can eat with your fufu, rice, you know, you can eat with potatoes. And don't forget to like this video if you like. It's gonna be blessed. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, don't forget to, you know, talk positive, no negativity on this video, guys. Be positive. All right, bye guys.